It's the end of April. It's April showers. May flowers should be coming in. Today is a veggie unboxing. Let's see what the end of April has brought to us. I think there's going to be some blueberries and some strawberries and an interesting salad and maybe green garlic and maybe some broccoli. Let's see what's going to happen in the veggie unboxing at the end of April. Hi, welcome to Seasonal Intuition. This channel is about food and cooking. The goal of this channel is to help you improve your cooking skills and intuition so you can stop following recipes and start following your heart. Let's get into it. Oh my gosh. Oh, we've got bok choy. Very pretty bok choy. It's the first bok choy of 2026. Woohoo! Right. And then we've got red leaf lettuce, very pretty. It's a little gem red leaf lettuce, maybe. And then we've got, oh my gosh, onions, red onions. Let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, we've got spinach, very, very lovely spinach. Let me show it to the group.
Throw it all over the floor. It's that good. Got so much spinach, I can just throw it.
No, just one.
Like it's money.
Just one. We've got, what else do we have in here? Oh my gosh. Oh, we have little squashes. We get those in the summertime. Whoa, summer squash. Let's present these guys. So we've got beautiful, typical summer squash. For the folks at home, we had a crazy warm March in February, so our vegetables are a little forward. Oh, and we've got carrots, lovely, lovely carrots.
All right, how many fruits do we have so far?
0. I don't think squash is qualified as a fruit.
Okay, so you're 0 for 0 on the fruits, yeah?
0 for 0 on the fruits. Oh, and we've got Hokari turnips. Lovely turnips. That is not a fruit. Wait a minute. Oh my gosh, we got blueberries. The first fruit of the season, first blueberries of the season. Very exciting.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how awesome do the blueberries look, just by looks?
I would give them an 8, at least an 8, 8.5.
Okay, next.
And then the last thing in the season, we've got beautiful strawberries. Wow.
Okay, let's sort these. We're gonna sort these from, since you're looking forward to May flowers, I want you to sort them from least flowery on your left to most flowery on your right.
What? This is complicated. Okay, all right. I'm up to the challenge. So this looks like a beautiful bouquet of carrots. I'm gonna take it, and then we're gonna do the turnips. That's like another bouquet. And then I think the strawberries are very pretty, so we can put them to the side. They can decorate. And then we have beautiful blueberries that are lovely, so we can do that. Oof.
What are you doing here?
I'm organizing flowers.
No, I'm asking you to organize them from least flowery to most flowery.
What? Least flowery? Oh, I did it all wrong. Least flowery. Okay. I'm going to say the zucchinis are least flowery. And then I'm going to say the spinach is the least flowery. And then I'm going to take, we're going to move these guys backwards. I'm going to put the turnips, carrots. These are pretty flowery looking. All right. Okay, I have my pile.
Okay. What do you think is the, out of this box, what do you think is the hardest thing to do something with? You're kind of cooking during the week or the weekend, you need to make a meal. Maybe what's going to be the biggest head scratcher for you?
The biggest head scratcher for me is bok choy. I'm still learning how to make it. Last summer, we made beautiful raw salads with it. I'm curious how we can make it other than steam. We typically see it just steamed, but I think it's a vegetable that's unfulfilled and has tremendous potential. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.